Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to send high-quality snaps without losing resolution on Snapchat. Sometimes you may want to send snaps on Snapchat without losing quality, so your friends can see them clearly without blurriness or reduced resolution. By default, Snapchat compresses snaps to save data, but you can adjust settings to maintain higher resolution if the option is available. A strong internet connection is also important, as high-quality snaps use more data. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the profile icon from the top left corner to open your profile page. Here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner to access all Snapchat settings. Now scroll down and tap on Manage. From here, you can adjust the settings to send snaps in high quality. If you don't see this option, it may not be available for your account yet, but if it is, you can enable it to send higher resolution snaps. Now go back to the home screen and make sure your internet connection is strong. A stable connection helps send high-quality snaps without interruptions. After that, you can start sending snaps, and they will retain their original resolution and clarity whenever the setting is available. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.